7th. Subject English. 2.2 Two Fables English Workshop. Listen and answer. Textbook page number 38. First, who rushed out upon the friends? त्या दोन मित्रांवर कोण चाल करून आले? Answer, a bear. Second, where were they at that time? त्यावेळी ते दोघे कोठे होते? Answer, passing through a wood. Discuss. Textbook page number 38. First, why did the other traveler lie with his face in the dust? दुसरा प्रवासी म्हणजेच त्याचा मित्र आपला चेहरा धुळीत खुपसून का पडून राहिला? Answer, the other traveler had heard that bears do not eat dead animals. He wanted to take a chance, so he threw himself flat down upon the ground and pretended to be a dead man. Did the bear really whisper to the traveler? ते अस्वल त्या प्रवाशाच्या कानात खरेच कुजबुजले का? Answer, no, it didn't. Textbook page number 38. Use the phrase be good at something in your own sentence. या ठिकाणी बघा, बी गुड ॲट समथिंग म्हणजे एखाद्या गोष्टीत तरबेज किंवा हुशार असणे. मग बी गुड ॲट समथिंग हा शब्दसमूह तुमच्या स्वतःच्या वाक्यात लिहा. Answer. First, he is good at singing. Second, they are good at playing cricket. Now next question is, find the sentence in which it is used in this story. या कथेत हा शब्दसमूह वापरलेले वाक्य लिहा. Answer. One of the traveler was good at climbing trees. Textbook page number 39. The town mouse and the country mouse. Is the meaning of textbook page number 39. First, turn up his long nose. Its meaning is to refuse something because you think that it is not good for you. Second, put up with. Its meaning is to accept something that is unpleasant without complaining. Third, set off. Its meaning is began to journey. And last, fourth one is refreshment, and its meaning is small amount of food and drink. Things to do. Textbook page number 39. Describe some features of country life and town life. Answer. First, pollution. Country life is free from pollution, where town life always face pollution which causes many diseases. Second one, environment. Country life is with fields, landscapes, fresh air and scenery, where town life has crowd with big buildings, factories and vehicles. Third, cost of living. Country life is simple and comfortable, where in town cost of living is higher than country life. Jobs. In country life, people do work in fields only, where in town life there are more opportunities for jobs. Facilities. In town life, treatment and medical tools are highly available than country life. Listen carefully. दिलेले मुद्दे हे उदाहरणादाखल तुमच्यासाठी दिले आहेत. यात तुम्ही बदल करू शकतात आणि आणखी जास्त मुद्द्यांची भर घालू शकता. Second, rewrite the story using human characters and making other appropriate changes. मानवी पात्रे वापरून व इतर योग्य बदल करून ही कथा पुन्हा लिहा. Use the points given below. Points. Tukaram, a village farmer, invites his friend Raju from a city. Raju does not like the atmosphere, dislikes the simple and easy life of villagers, hates simple food they give, feels everything useless, dirty and uninteresting, leaves the village, takes Tukaram with him to his town. Tukaram feels uneasy in the city atmosphere, cannot eat properly, prefers simple food to costly packaged food. Absence of peace, humanity disturbs him, leaves the city for good. Third, what is the meaning of only? Only ह्या शब्दाचा अर्थ काय? Answer. The word only suggests that the growling and barking of the dogs is not that important or serious. Textbook page number 40. What does the country mouse mean by only? Answer. He means the dogs are not only but a big threat. Discuss. Textbook page number 40. What is better, country life or town life? Why? ग्रामीण जीवन व शहरी जीवन यांपैकी अधिक चांगले जीवन कोणते? का? The life in a small village is better than town life because it provides calmness, stability and peace of mind. In country life, there is no noise, air and water pollution. Country life is a natural place which has clean air and beautiful environment. It is more safety and more scenery. The country life has special tradition, culture people. It is healthier to live in countryside. You can write answer of this question by your own view. English workshop. Question first. This story has two parts. Write what happened in each part. In the country, at the big house. First of all, we see in the country. The town mouse went to visit his country cousin. The country mouse gave the town mouse beans, cheese and bread. The town mouse did not like the food. Now at the big house. Both the mice arrive at the big house where town mouse live. The town mouse offered his cousin jellies and cakes. The country mouse did not like the food offered by town mouse. Question second. Translate the following into your mother tongue. पुढील वाक्यांचे मातृभाषेत भाषांतर करा. First, I do not like that music at my dinner. Answer. माझ्या रात्रीच्या जेवणाच्या वेळी ते भयंकर संगीत मला आवडत नाही. Second, better beans and bread in peace than cakes and jellies in fear. Answer. भीतीने खाल्लेल्या केक व जेलीपेक्षा शांतपणे धान्याचे दाणे व भाकरी खाणे अधिक चांगले असते. Try to write more sentences on the pattern of better beans and bread in peace than cakes and jellies in fear. For example, better late than never. या दिलेल्या नमुन्याप्रमाणे आणखी काही वाक्य आपल्याला बनवायची आहेत. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, फर्स्ट, बेटर कीप क्वाईट दॅन इन्व्हायटिंग अ क्वॅरल. सेकंड, बेटर स्लीप हंग्री दॅन स्टेलिंग. थर्ड वन, बेटर सीट ॲट होम दॅन वॉन्डरिंग इन द स्कॉर्चिंग हीट. याप्रमाणे तुम्ही अजून काही वाक्य बनवून लिहा. क्वेश्चन फोर्थ. Write the moral of the story in your mother tongue using your own word. Answer. शहरी थाटामाटाच्या धोकादायक जीवनापेक्षा ग्रामीण शांततामय जीवन समाधानकारक व सुरक्षित असते.